subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook for You presents Sabudana Drink. Preparing jelly. Take 250 milliliters hot water. I'm using cherry jelly, instead you can use strawberry. Mix until dissolved completely. Make jelly according to packet instructions. Remove in a dish to refrigerate for 45 minutes until set. Once the jelly is set, cut into cubes. Adding less quantity of water will give you stiff jelly. Soaking Sabza seeds. Add 1 tablespoon basil seeds in water. Mix well and keep aside until bloom. Our sabza is now beautifully plumed up. Boiling sago seeds. Add half cup sago seeds in boiling water. Cook 15 minutes until transparent. Keep stirring. Strain and wash it with cold water. Assembling. Take 500 milliliters chilled milk in a jug. Add rose syrup Rooh Afza as per your taste. Give it a good mix. Add cooked sago seeds. Discard water of basil seeds before adding it. 2 tablespoons sugar or as per your taste. Stir well. Add prepared jelly. Add 1 tablespoon chopped pistachio. Give it a good mix. Our delicious Sabudana drink is ready to serve. Take tall glasses and garnish with rose syrup. Pour chilled Sharbat into glasses. Stir and enjoy. Do try this recipe at home and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.